Hello, Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabina, with my November newsletter video blog summary. And this month I continue to heal from my shoulder procedure that I had in January. I participated in several webinars. The first was the November World Pulse Changemaker Lab webinar. The second and third were webinars organised by the Interfaith Glasgow and Women's Environmental Network. The third webinar was a wonderful webinar with EU Director of GoFundMe, Elisa, Liberatori, Fioncchiaro. I'm so sorry if I've mispronounced her name. I wrote a blog in Urdu and English about Islamophobia Awareness Month, and the last webinar I attended was organised by the Fairtrade Foundation, and it was about Fairtrade and Climate Justice. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video for you next month. Take care, bye for now. Walaikum assalam.